I mean, I just love, after a hard day of busting poetry, you can sit down and have yourself a little pastry espagnole, you know, I call this one, oh, apple sombrero.
This is so delicious. Oh.
I mean,
Oh God.
oh, turn this song up here, Frank.
Oh.
Seems to help, I know.
Downtown.
Brothers on the slide, working on the wrong side. What you gonna do? You can't win, so you know you must lose. We know which way you're going. We know which way you're going. Brothers on the slide, what you gonna hide? Reckon your folks' name. It's a shame, but ain't no game. We know.
Baggies out?
Locked and loaded?
Oh yeah.
Vamonos, amigo. Looks like they got poetry all around in here, Frank. I'd be very cautious. Looks like it could be a very dangerous environment in here.
Smell something?
Smells very strong. Smells like we got some potent poetry in here. I'm gonna give it a quick look. Smells like it's coming from the oven here. Cover me, Frank. Oh God, Jesus! Oh God!
Oh.
Oh God! Oh, just like I thought. Modernist.
Oh damn. Oh. Oh, that makes me more sick than modernist.
Pound. Oh my God, these people disgust me. You hear that, Frank?
Sounds like it's coming from the back.
Let's check it out. Open up! Police! Federal poetry investigators! We just want to talk! Clear! Put the book down! Put the book down! Oh! Roll over! Roll over! Shut up, you! Shut up, you! Give me this hand! Put it behind! Put it behind! We're gonna come! Oh, God! Is this what poetry makes you happy? Does it make you happy, Pooh Bear? Clear! 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 Clear!
Tag 'em and bag 'em.
Let's roll! You hear that?
Sounds like it's coming from the bathroom.
I think there might be someone in the shower. Poetry police! Open up! I think we got a foghorn.
No, it sounds like a manatee.
I think it sounds more like an octopus.
I think it sounds like Flipper.
I think it's an albatross.
It's an albatross.
I'm going in. Poetry police, put your hands up! Poetry police, I repeat, put your hands up! I don't see any poetry in here! I think it's clear! Clear! I think it's clear! Clear! It's an albatross!
Sounds like... Who? Foghorn? No, sounds like Salvador Sanchez.
Let's bust him!
FBI, open up!
FBI! Put him up! We know you got poetry in here! Put him up!
Solo tengo los frijoles de poesía.
I don't understand him, Frank!
No ambulance man, yo!
Put him up there! You stay there!
No me gusta.
Stay there, you!
Señor.
Salvador
No.
Sanchez!
Frijoles. No me gusta. No me gusta.
Frank! Are you okay? Man down! I'm gonna put an end to this poetry right now! You on the computer! You on the computer! Stop writing that poetry!
No le diga nada. Señor, no.
Oh yeah! This one's going delete, and it's for you, Frank! Oh man. Frank, are you okay down there?
Did you get the poetry?
Frank, I got him! But are you okay down here?
I think I feel a little bit better. Feel a little bit better.
Let me get you up here. We put an end to that poetry.
Yeah, we got him.
And we got Sanchez all tied up.
We got him, Durgan.
And you know what? I'm not gonna stop this. No, I'm never gonna stop.
Neither will I. Rock and roll, baby.
You boys, you're going downtown.
When you're alone and life is making you lonely, you can always go downtown. When you've got worries, all the noise and the hurry seems to help, I know. Downtown, just listen to the music of the traffic in the city. Linger on the sidewalk where the neon signs are pretty. How can you lose? The lights are much brighter there. You can forget all your troubles, forget all your cares. So go downtown.